In this video, we'll be talking about Hamster Kombat Cipher for today, the 10th of June / 11th of June 2024. So the first thing we are going to do is to click on N per tab. Click on it 3 times. This is our N per tab here. So we're going to click on it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now it has taken us to the dashboard for the cipher for today, and where we will be tapping is around here inside this box, this Hamster Kombat box. So, and the cipher for today is airdrop. Air what? Drop. AIRDROP. So that's the cipher for today. So we start with A. A is dot and long press. So we're going to tap on dot, then long press. So that's our A. Then high is double dot, double tap. So 1, 2. So give us our high. Then R is a dot, long press, a dot. So a dot, long press, a dot. That will give us our R. Are you following? Then we have our D, long press, dot, dot. So long press, dot, dot. That's our D. Then our R dot, long press, dot. So that's our R. Then O, long press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then the last but not the least, P, that's dot, long press, dot. So let's have it now. Dot, long press, dot. So we got it correctly. So that's our price. Then we take our price. So if you are yet to like this video, please make sure you like this video and also subscribe to the channel so that whenever we drop updates, you will always see the updates. So see you tomorrow for the next